Health benefits of cinnamon. 12 reasons to include cinnamon in your diet. Cinnamon is a delicious herbal medicine that has an abundance of medicinal properties. There was a time when this spice was considered a sign of wealth. It has also been used extensively in Chinese herbal medication. In today's video, we will show you 12 reasons to include cinnamon in your diet. Number 1. Reduce inflammation. Cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory properties and helps the body against infections and tissue damage. Inflammation is crucial for the body, but when inflammation becomes chronic, it appears to be very dangerous for the body because it starts to fight against the body's cells and tissues. To reduce inflammation, cinnamon plays a vital role. This is because of cinnamaldehyde's presence, the compound that gives this spice its unique odor and taste. It also helps in reducing swelling and prevent the formation of blood platelets to avoid clumping. Another fantastic fact is that cinnamon can also block the substances related to abnormal cell growth and lessens the risk of developing various diseases. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Reduces the risk of heart diseases. About 70% of death occurs due to heart-related issues. Cinnamon plays a significant role in unblocking the arteries, which would otherwise cause heart diseases. It lowers the level of bad cholesterol and maintains good cholesterol in the body stable. Cinnamate is a vital compound that is present in cinnamon. It lessens the activity of an enzyme, which makes cholesterol and reduces the quantity of fatty acid in the blood, hence lowering heart diseases. Number 3. Act as an antioxidant. Antioxidants play a very substantial role in our bodies. From killing the infectious or disease-causing agents to rejuvenating skin, cinnamon plays an essential role in the body. Antioxidants help our bodies reduce oxidative stress, which would otherwise damage the body cells and cause chronic diseases. Type 2 diabetes is among such diseases that are caused by oxidative stress. Number 4. Treats type 2 diabetes and lowers blood sugar levels. Cinnamon maintains the blood sugar levels virtually. It improves glycemic control and helps in the management of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, lowering the blood sugar level is another property that cinnamon possesses. It decreases the amount of glucose that enters our bloodstream right after eating a meal. This process is done by interfering with various digestive enzymes. These enzymes slow down the carbohydrate breakdown inside the digestive system. Cinnamon contains a compound that imitates insulin on the body cells. This process enhances glucose uptake by the cells. Studies have revealed that cinnamon lowers the fasting blood sugar levels by 20%. It is better to take or add about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon to your diet. You can have it in teas or sprinkle it in your favorite dessert or dish. Number 5. Treats neurodegenerative diseases. Neurodegenerative ailments cause the loss of brain cells function as we grow older. The most known neurodegenerative disease is Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. But thanks to cinnamon, studies have shown that cinnamon obstructs the accumulation of a protein known as tau in the brain. Tau buildup in the brain is a symbol of Alzheimer's disease. In Parkinson's disease, cinnamon helps in protecting the neurons and normalizing the damaged neurotransmitter. In this way, it betters the motor function. Number 6. Protect against cancer. Cancer is generally defined as the unlimited growth of cells inside the body. Cinnamon has been used for millennia to treat cancer. But the new researches have suggested that instead of treating cancer, cinnamon plays a significant role in cancer prevention. Some studies also suggest that cinnamon extracts treat cancer. Cinnamon lessens the development of cancer cells and blood vessels formation inside the tumors. In this way, cinnamon acts as a toxic substance for cancerous cells and kills them. Cinnamon is a strong activator of detoxifying enzymes in the colon and protects against colon cancer's further growth. It also activates the antioxidant responses in humans who have colon cancer. The exact effects are still unknown. However, some studies need to be done. Number 7. Speed up hair growth. You must have tried various herbal oils to boost your hair growth, but have you used cinnamon yet? Cinnamon speeds up the hair growth process by enhancing the blood flow towards hair follicles, increasing the circulation our hair requires for long hair. All you shall do is take 1 tablespoon of finely ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a cup of olive oil. These ingredients will form a thick paste. Apply this paste directly on your scalp. Let it be on your hair for about 15 minutes. Wash it off with gentle hair shampoo and see the magic yourself. Number 8. Fight against metabolic diseases. Metabolic disease entails gut issues and slow digestion of food. This will not only make you bloated or fat, but will do other damages to your overall health. Our superstar cinnamon 6 come here to help us again by fighting against these metabolic diseases. Cinnamon lessens the complications, illness, and mortality in metabolic syndrome, involving blood pressure reduction, plasma glucose obesity, and dyslipidemia. Cinnamon also helps in suppressing appetite, which can help people who are on a weight loss journey. It also helps in curbing sweet tooth and help people controlling sweet tooth effectively. Number 9. Possess antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon works incredibly in fighting off bacterial, fungal, or viral infections. Back in the times when people don't have technologies such as refrigerators, they used various spices and herbs to store the remaining food, and cinnamon was among those spices that prevent the food from any fungal or microbial attack. Scientists and health practitioners believe that cinnamon can treat anything from the common cold to respiratory issues. It helps to treat all types of lung constitution symptoms. It clears the mucus and increases circulation that leads to treating cough to bronchitis. Cinnamon also hinders the progress of bacteria by destroying cell membranes and changing their lipid profile. Number 10. May help fight against HIV. The most terrible disease on planet Earth requires a lot of strength and stamina to fight. HIV is a viral infection, and due to the antimicrobial properties of cinnamon, it helps fight against it. Cinnamon extract is beneficial in combating the virus by impeding its entrance from the cell. A study has suggested that cinnamon can block viral activity effectively, and this is the most promising approach in preventing HIV progression into AIDS. But very few research types are done in this regard. Further research is needed to prove its beneficiary effects. Number 11. Help managing PCOS. Every single woman or girl you will meet is suffering from PCOS. PCOS, or polycystic ovarian syndrome, is a condition with various symptoms that shall be managed. Here comes the superfood, cinnamon sticks, again in managing the PCOS effectively. It plays a key role due to several reasons. Firstly, it manages the insulin resistance in women suffering from PCOS, which would otherwise provide nothing but weight gain. This ability of cinnamon has also made it a recommended spice for diabetic patients. Another benefit that this herb provides is reducing heavy menstrual bleeding in women who have endometriosis, menorrhagia, and uterine fibroids. Number 12. Freshen Breath. No matter how good your overall personality is, there is only one thing that can smash down your whole character just in seconds. That's terrible breath. The compound, as mentioned earlier, cinnamaldehyde, plays a very vital role in reducing bad breath. It kills the oral bacteria that create this smell. You can use cinnamon mouthwash or chew the stick to make your breath fresh and odorless. Cinnamon is a medicinal herb that people are using for ages. Not only it tastes sweet, but it is healthier as well. It reduces blood pressure, prevents cancer growth, eliminates acne, and provides other health benefits. Will you include cinnamon in your diet after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.